Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 4 Polymer Chemistry. In the topic preparation, properties and applications of polyvinyl chloride and Teflon. Polyvinyl chloride and Teflon. First of all, see preparation reaction of polyvinyl chloride. See, this one is the preparation reaction of polyvinyl chloride. In this one, we take vinyl chloride monomer. Vinyl chloride monomer. Vinyl chloride monomer, okay, that is CH2 double bond CHCl. That is vinyl chloride monomer. This vinyl chloride monomer free radical polymerization reaction. Free radical polymerization reaction. This double bond is shifted towards this side. We get single bond C, okay, twice N number. This one is polyvinyl chloride polymer. Okay, right? In polyvinyl chloride preparation reaction, we take vinyl chloride monomer. This vinyl chloride monomer undergoes free radical vinyl polymerization to form polyvinyl chloride. This is the one of the addition polymerization reaction. Okay, that's enough. This is the preparation reaction. Okay, let's see the properties. Properties of polyvinyl chloride. These properties, the first property is it is odorless, colorless, chemically inert compound. It is a odorless. Odorless is nothing but, okay, there is no smell. Colorless. Colorless is nothing but there is no color. Chemically inert. That is chemically resistant substance. The second property, insoluble in hot acids, insoluble in hot acids, alkalis. Okay, these are insoluble in hot acids and alkalis. These are soluble in hot ethyl chloride. Hot ethyl chloride. These are soluble in hot ethyl chloride. Okay, next third property, it undergoes degradation in the presence of heat and light. Polyvinyl chloride undergoes degradation in the presence of heat and light. Heat and light. Let's see the application. In that application, it's known under different trade names, that is Tygon, vinylite, V-line, etc. Next one, these are plasticides. PVC is used in pipes, tubes, helmets, light fitting equipments, mobiles, mudguards, etc. Okay, next application, plasticides. PVC is used in tablecloths, curtains, raincoats, and application of electrical cables. Okay, tablecloths, curtains, raincoats, electrical cable also application. Next one, tooth care components such as temporary blood storage and diffusion traces. Okay, blood storage component. Okay, PVC also used as a blood storage component. Next, see the Teflon. Okay, in the Teflon structure, okay, we will take tetrafluoroethene. Tetrafluoroethene. The tetrafluoroethene is CF2 double bond CF2. CF2 double bond CF2. That is tetrafluoroethene. Tetrafluoroethene undergoes polymerization reaction to form Teflon. Teflon plastic. Teflon another name is Fluon. Teflon another name is Fluon. Next, properties. Okay, properties of Teflon. First one, here the softening point about 350 degrees Celsius. Okay, that means softening point is nothing but that is liquid state point. Okay, liquid state point is in 350 degrees Celsius. High density high thermal stability, high mechanical resistance, high electrical insulators. Mechanical properties do not change over prolonged periods even at all. Okay, these are the different properties of Teflon. Finally, see the applications of Teflon. In these applications, okay, electrical insulation of wires and cables. Electrical insulations of wires and cables. Okay, next knocking of non-stick frying pans, stopcock for burette. Next one, lubrication film. Okay, lubrication film. These are the different applications of Teflon. Okay, right? These are the simple addition polymerization plastics. One is polyvinyl chloride, another one is Teflon. Okay, right? Once I revise preparation, properties and applications of PVC and Teflon. PVC is prepared by addition polymerization of vinyl chloride monomers. Addition polymerization of vinyl chloride monomer. In this one we take the number of vinyl chloride monomers to form polyvinyl chloride. The number of vinyl chloride monomers to form polyvinyl chloride. In this vinyl chloride derived from ethene structure, we already know ethene structure CH2 double bond CH2. We replace second carbon hydrogen with chlorine, we get vinyl chloride monomer. Okay, in ethene structure there is a CH2 double bond CH2 there. Okay, second carbon, second hydrogen is replaced with chlorine, we get Teflon polyvinyl chloride plastic. Polyvinyl chloride plastic. Properties: odorless, colorless and chemically inert compound, insoluble in hot acids, alkali, soluble in hot ethyl chloride, undergo degradation in the presence of heat and light. Okay, no different trade names there. The polyvinyl chloride names are different trade names. One is Tygon, another one is vinylite, another one is Velan, like that. And then plasticized PVC is used in pipes, tubes, helmets, and then light fitting, mobile mudguards. And then plasticized PVC is used in tablecloths, curtains, raincoats, okay, electric cables, insulation of electric cables. And then cloth care components, okay, healthcare components such as temporary blood storage containers. Temporary blood storage containers. These are the applications of PVC. Next, Teflon. Teflon is also prepared by polytetrafluoroethylene. Teflon another name is polytetrafluoroethylene or Teflon or Fluon. Okay, tetrafluoroethene undergoes in the presence of addition polymerization reaction to form a Teflon. Okay, so TFE structure is tetrafluoroethene. That means ethene have 4 hydrogen elements. These 4 hydrogen elements are replaced with 4 fluorines. We get a TFE molecule. This TFE monomer undergoes addition polymerization to form a Teflon. Next, properties. Properties is melting point. Okay, melting point of Teflon is 350 degrees Celsius. Okay, high density there, and then high thermal stability. Okay, mechanical resistance, electrical insulator substances. Okay, some of the properties do not change over prolonged periods even attached there. Okay, these are the different properties of Teflon. These are the main applications. These are used as a wires and cables, insulation of wires and cables, and then non-stick coating pans, and then stopcock for burettes. Okay, next one, lubrication film. Okay, these are the different applications of Teflon. It's a simple concept: preparation, properties of PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and then Teflon monomers. Okay, Teflon plastics, right? Is it clear, students? Okay, that's enough. That is the 4th unit, polymer chemistry. One of the simple topic is preparation, properties and applications of polyvinyl chloride and then Teflon. Okay, right? Thank you, students. Thank you for listening.